Survaya Gadi, an architectural marvel situated in the Survaya village near Shivpuri, was initially a mutt built by the king of Ujjain Anant Varma for his guru. Later on, three temples were built around the mutt by the Chandels. Further, in 10th century, it was converted into a fortress by the Kachwa dynasty. The Ghadi is made up with sandstone along with lime mortar, has four parts, the Shaiva Mutt and the three temples. The structure of Shaiva Mutt is an example of excellent masonry, having an open courtyard surrounded by pillared corridors. One of the temples facing towards the west has a mandap inside that harbor a Shivling. Each temple is having a shikhar on the top that symbolizes the Hindu architecture. The architecture depicts Gandharvas or musicians playing different musical instruments like dholak, bamboo flute, shehnai. Yakshas can be seen carrying vimanas. There are many stories associated with it, one of which is that it is the same vimana in which Sita was abducted by Ravan. Kinnars can also be seen dancing, celebrating and enjoying around. The fortress was found in ruins. However, Archaeological Survey of India has done a great job in its reconstruction. There is also a step well in the Gadi which was used as a source of water. Sailing Club. A dam was built for creating artificial water bodies on the Manya River, now known as Chandpata due to its shape of a crescent moon. On the shores of Sakya Sagar Lake was built in the year 1990. The club is well ventilated, adorned with statues brought from France by Maharaja Madhavrao Sindhia. It was favorite destination for boating in Shivpuri, but later boating was banned by the forest department due to large number of crocodiles in the lake. Currently, boating with a motorboat is allowed, but only with the permission of the forest department. George Castle was built in 1911 by Madhavrao Sindhia, the then ruler of Gwalior. It was built in the heart of the forest, now also a national park, for an overnight halt of King George V of England, who was to visit the forest for a tiger shoot. But it so happened that the king shot a tiger on the way to his forest and did not stop here. One can have a breathtaking view of lakes and sunset from this point. Three clock towers were presented to Maharaja Madhavrao Sindhia by the Nawab of Rampur, Hamid Ali Khan, in the year 1921. A clear stream of spring water flows throughout the year from Vadaiya Kund. It was built by the Sindhias as a reservoir used to provide water to the city. The water coming out of Gomukh was full of minerals and was bottled and sold by the name of Shivpuri Mineral Water. Chhatri is one of the famous cenotaphs in Shivpuri which has been erected by the Sindhias. It has been constructed in Hindu-Islamic architectural style, which was built in the memory of Maharani Sakya Raja Sindhia and Maharaj Madhavrao Sindhia. These exquisite cenotaphs are embellished and decorated with beautiful inlay work which creates a spectacularly beautiful effect. There is a marble statue of Maharani Sakya Raja Sindhia which is a living heritage. Every day it is cleaned, dressed up in a sari of 8.1 meters and is also served food. Even today, the ritual of daily devotional music being played in the two of the main cenotaphs is being followed. These monuments are nothing less than architectural marvels, especially the one dedicated to Madhavrao Sindhia. It is made up of marble, which was brought from Gwalior and Jaisalmer. The architectural inlay work with precious and semi-precious stones like jade, blue sapphire and ruby can be seen on the white marble. The doors of the chhatri are made up of silver with beautiful designs. The buildings are gracefully surrounded by the ponds and gardens in a Mughal style. One of the largest ponds in Chhatri is Mohankund, situated in the middle of the monument. It has a small shivling in the center. The Bombay Koti was built in the year 1874 for the residential purpose of the Scindia family. The design of the Koti was adopted from buildings which were prevalent in Bombay. hence it is known as Bombay Koti. Even today, during their visits to Shupri, the members of Scindia family stay here. In Baradri, it is the oldest 12-pillared structure of Shupri, which was meant for recreation and rejuvenation of the people and traders with their animals. Passing by Shupri, one can feel cool breeze in because of its structural design. A Shupri Club was built in the 18th century by the British and was known as the Officers' Club. It was reconstructed in the year 1911. Afterwards, it was renamed as Shupri Club. It was used for the activities related to games and sports by the British officers. Even now, it provides facilities for various games like table tennis, badminton, tennis, and karate. Town Hall is a historical monument which is situated in the center of the city Shivpuri. It was built by Maharaja Madhavrao Sindhia in the year 1922 for entertainment purposes. The symmetrical structure has an antechamber with a vast seating space for royal families. The roof has gold-painted metallic patterns which have not rusted since it was made. It is divided into 3 layers with a hollow gap of 10 feet and 5 feet respectively between each other that keep the hall cool. The building is made up with red sandstone, built in British Indian Persian architectural style. The collectorate was built by the British. At that time, it was known as Secretariat, used for official purpose. The building is made up with red sandstone and is now used as a collector's office. It is the place where the great freedom fighter Tatya Tope was kept under house arrest and later executed by the British. Currently, it has been converted into a museum which is being taken care of by the ASI. A monument is inbuilt on the site where the Tatya Tope was hung. There is an interesting story about Gorakhnath temple which says that Gorakhnath was born at this place and later travelled all over the country and became the founder of Nand community. A very big 45 into 45 square feet kund called Bavdi is found in the premises of Gorakhnath temple. It is believed that the kund was built by the 2 Pandava brothers Nakul and Sahadev during the Mahabharata. Jadhav Sagar was built by Sir Madhavrao Sindhia Alija Bahadur in the memory of late Krishna Rao Bapu Sahib Jadhav in the year 1923. Banganga has 52 kunds which are spread over Gorakhnath temple, Banganga and Chhatri. Some of these kunds are visible while some are not. It is believed that these kunds were built by the Pandavas at the time of their exile during the reign of the king Virat who gave them shelter. Kachhari is situated by the side of Chhatri. It has a clock on its top and earlier it was used as a court by Madhavrao Sindhia. Siddiqui Madia is a famous pious spot. It has 3 ancient steppes, out of which one is completely covered.
भदैया कुंड सागर साखे छतरी है संगमरमरी हरे भरे वनों से अधिक्षित ये नगरी शिवपुरी। मुगल सिंधिया शासक हुए नरवर में नट नल शहीद हुए तात्या यहाँ दिखा अंग्रेजों को अपना बल।